In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out your Facebook account from other devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. After that, tap at that gear to go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap at See More in Account Center to head over to the Meta Account Center. Now, guys, we need to select Password and Security here. And then we'll be taken to the step where we can easily find the option where you are logged in. On the next step, first off, we need to select our Facebook account, and then it will show us all the devices where our account is currently logged in. Here we have iPhone 15 Pro, which is my current device, and also I have logged with my Facebook account on Samsung device, on Windows PC, and on another iPhone. From here, in order to log out our account from another devices, we need to tap right here. And then all we have to do is just select one or several devices. And once all the devices are selected, just hit right here to log out from all of them at once. However, guys, if you suspect that someone else may have known your Facebook password, then I recommend you to go back to Password and Security and hit right here at Change Password. Then select Facebook account. And here, first off, we need to enter our current password, and then we need to come up with the new one here. Just keep in mind that your new password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters like that. After that, re-enter your new password here and tap at Change Password button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.